Welcome back to Yacht Addiction. I'm standing on board a Princess Y72. This is an incredible yacht from Princess Yachts America. I'm at the Fort Lauderdale International Boat Show and I'm standing on the bow of this beautiful yacht. So let's go ahead and get started with this tour. So right away out here, you'll see you have a large sun pad area, but they got really smart with the design. You can actually fold these areas up, which turns what's normally a flat section into a bench right here. This is great so everyone can hang around and socialize around this table. And then Princess threw in some storage lockers right here, great for fenders. You have a side access door which leads right to the helm. And then we're making our way back to the cockpit. You have this great U-shaped seating area, and you do have a hardtop overhang covering this entire area. As usual, you have side access doors on both sides of this Princess. You also have an aft docking station. This makes it very easy to back into a slip. Now this yacht does have a flybridge, but we are going to make our way inside first. So if we make our way into this Princess yacht, you'll see this is a galley aft layout. This window will flip up, connecting the bar area outside. And you have a refrigerator and freezer right here. You have Miele appliances, as well as the built-in dishwasher. I'm not going to open up all these storage drawers for this one. We also have an expandable table and an L-shaped seating area with it. And then moving forward into the main salon, I like this little bar area with a couple stools. You have a little settee right in front of the TV that rises up from the port side. You have a wine fridge. Can never have enough of those. And then here is the main sofa. It's a large U-shaped seating area. And I also noticed over here, you have some built-in drawers for all your glassware. And those are soft close. And there's also bottle storage right in here. So let's keep moving forward. I think there are some people waiting on us, so I'm gonna have to speed this up a bit. You have a seating area that accompanies the helm. I think you have AV equipment down here. You have this gorgeous glass cockpit, your 2 Garmin screens, and the bonding system. This controls a bunch of the features and monitoring systems on the yacht. You can see there are presets for lighting. You can also view your cameras and a whole bunch of other features from this system. You have your bow and stern thruster, your Princess steering wheel. You have a side power stabilizing system, and your throttle controls. You have a VHF radio, and like I pointed out, you do have a side access door. I also really love these Princess seats. You can see all the beautiful stitching in here. Let's head down to the guest cabins. So forward is the VIP cabin. You have at least a queen bed in here. TV up on the wall. And then you have your closet and an ensuite. You have another cabin right here. 2 single beds. And this one does not have an ensuite, so that will share with this other cabin, which also has 2 single beds. But then this has the ensuite attached. So the day head is right here. Pretty good size shower, and they still have a rainfall shower. And I also really like this detailing right up here. Look at that. Princess always does a really good job with the small details, I've noticed. And if we head down here, this spiral staircase leads us to the master. We have a king-size bed, little dressing table and desk over here. You have some drawers. Then you have closet space right here, and the ensuite. You have twin sinks and the large shower stall. You have the TV up on the wall, then another little settee over here. Let's keep it moving before we run out of time. But really quick, I also just forgot, you do have a separate washer and dryer down here. So if we head up to the flybridge, you'll see you're incredibly well catered for up here with a large drawer refrigerator. You have storage for your trash and an ice maker, as well as the sink. Now aft, you'll see this beautiful sun pad. And then a large table with more seating that wraps around. There's additional seating right here by the helm. And then your second helm is just as impressive as the first. More Garmin multifunction displays. Here's your bonding system again. You can see how it monitors like the engine, your fuel tanks, and then all the other controls that I mentioned prior. Now currently they actually have these screens that are zippered on. This is a good showcase of how you can close off this space. But of course you can take these down as well. And then overhead, it's a hard top, but it is retractable, so you can really open up this flybridge if you want to. Real quick, while we're up here, take a look at this beautiful profile of the X95. I do have a full tour of that yacht, so I'll link that down in the description if you haven't seen it. So back here you have a hydraulic swim platform where you can house your tender. And then the crew cabins and access to the engine room is through this hatch. You have full standing headroom in here. And you have 2 single beds. And then through these curtains, you can see the window on the transom door. Here's the shower. And the toilet is in a separate area. And then through this door is the engine room. Excuse me, through this door is a lazarette area with some other systems on the ship, including one of your Cummins generators. Through this door are the engines. You can see the hatch that's above in the cockpit, so you have multiple ways to get down here. Now this yacht comes with a pair of MAN V12 engines. They're 1,650 horsepower each. Your top speed is right around 35 knots. You can cruise comfortably in the high 20s. And at that cruising speed, you'll get about 500 nautical miles of range. If you drop it down to 8 knots, you'll get about 1,500 nautical miles of range out of this yacht. think we'll take a seat right here in the screw cabin and we will finish off the tour. Thank you so much to Princess Yachts America for letting me do the tour. I'm going to link them down in the description if you want to see this yacht in greater detail. Make sure to leave a like on the video and also subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss a future upload. Until next time.